Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to day 6 of our case study. And it's a little bit later than usual because today is Sunday. I had things to do, but decided, hey, I still need to make my video. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna refresh this page, and we're gonna see how many people we do have in the webinar. So right now it's 494, but I suspect we are over 500. Now, knowing that it's the weekend, and so, sometimes you have fewer people checking their stuff and webinars and stuff, but oh wow, we have 561. That's really cool. Okay, 561, that's day, this is day 6, and 561, let me see if I have a calculator here somewhere. All right, so we have a calculator. 561 multiplied by 72. There's $40,392 saved. $40,000 that I would have spent. Oh, what happened there? Oh, there's one less attendee. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, $40,000 that I would have spent normally on ads to get these people. So yeah, everything is progressing well. Again, it's it's still the weekend. It's Sunday, and I'm very impressed with the results. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I will see you tomorrow for new adventures. See you. Bye.